Hello to all students, I hope you are doing fine. Today we are going to discuss life cycle of liver fluke. Liver fluke is known as common liver fluke or sheep liver fluke, which belongs to phylum Platyhelminthes, and it is a trematode. The scientific name of liver fluke is Fissiola hepatica. Today we are going to discuss the life cycle of Fissiola hepatica. So the cycle starts in the adult body of a sheep because this liver fluke lives in the bile duct of sheep, buffalo or human. First of all, we will look at the structure of a liver fluke. This is a structure of a liver fluke, Fissiola hepatica. It is 30 millimeter long and 13 millimeter wide, and it is a very large parasite of humans and cattle. Their length can vary up to 75 millimeter also. But this liver fluke has sucker on its anterior end with which they attach with the surface of the bile duct. As you know that this is a structure of a liver, and liver has a duct which opens in the duodenum or small intestine, is known as common bile duct. It lives in the common bile duct with help of their suckers and eats the digested material of the food of its host. These hosts are definitive hosts of this parasite. In adult form, liver fluke lays eggs. Eggs are laid in large quantity. 25,000 eggs are laid. These eggs are migrated to the small intestine and then to large intestine, and through large intestine they reach rectum, and from rectum with help of feces they are removed from the body, and with water they are transported to some water body like river, canal, brook, lake or a canal. In the water, these eggs which are ciliated have an operculum like opening through which a larva emerges, which is known as Myracidium larva. Myracidium larva also has cilia on its surface with which the help of cilia it moves from one surface to another surface. Now this larva, Myracidium larva, is looking for an intermediate host, which is a specific species of a snail. This Myracidium larva accidentally finds a snail. Usually it is a very specific species which belongs to family Limnidae. There are several species of family Limnidae which become intermediate host of this parasite. When this Myracidium larva approaches a snail, it penetrates in the body of the snail and become sporocyst, which is a form of a parasite. After becoming sporocyst, this larva modify into another form which is known as redia. After becoming redia, it leaves the body of the snail and again start to live in the water. It lives in the water, feed on small bacteria and algae and food particles. This larva is known as Cercaria. It remains in the water and finally it found a host which is a aquatic plant, and this Cercaria larva converted into Metacercaria and become dormant in the epithelial tissue of the epidermis of the aquatic plant. Now when an animal like sheep or buffalo eats that plant, or a human eat a aquatic plant like watercress, this Metacercaria, which is a form of larva, dormant form of larva, enter into the digestive system of human or a cattle, from small intestine this larva emerges from the cyst and make a hole in the small intestine and reach the peritoneal cavity, and from peritoneal cavity it is transported to the bile duct, where it attaches with the help of its suckers and start to live there. After feeding, it develops into an adult liver fluke or a sheep liver fluke, and the cycle is completed. I have made a summary of this whole cycle in an easy way to understand. So first of all, adult liver fluke, as you can see in this diagram, lives in the common bile duct of animals like sheep, buffalo or a human. Common bile duct is a duct which is originated from the liver and opens into the small intestine. This liver fluke lives in the bile duct of small intestine with the help of its suckers. Adult liver fluke lays thousands of eggs. As I have told you, 25,000 eggs have been laid. These eggs are transported into freshwater bodies with the help of feces. While reaching in freshwater bodies, these eggs produce a larva known as Mycelium larva, which you can see in the diagram. This is the Mycelium larva. Mycelium larva finds an intermediate host, which is a snail, and penetrate in the body of snail, where it modified into sporocyst and then into radii. After becoming radii, it leaves the body of the snail and becomes cercariae. After cercariae, spending some life in the water, finds an aquatic plant and penetrates in the surface of the aquatic plant and becomes metacercariae, which is a dormant form of this larva. When an adult sheep or human eats water plants, watercress or any aquatic plants, this metacercariae reaches the digestive system of the human or sheep, from where it travels to a common bile duct and attach with the surface of the common bile duct and start to live their life over there. And after becoming adult, lays eggs, and this cycle is repeated. Usually it takes 3 to 4 months to complete this life cycle, but it can vary in different species of the liver fluke or sheep liver fluke or a common liver fluke. So I can repeat this whole cycle again. First of all, adult liver fluke which lays eggs. Eggs are transported to water where larvae emerges from the egg. These larvae are known as Mycelium. Mycelium finds a snail, penetrates in the body of the snail, becomes sporocyst, then changes into radii. Radii leaves the body of the snail and becomes cercariae. Cercaria become dormant in the aquatic plant and become metacercariae, and metacercariae finally reaches the surface of a animal, cattle, human or sheep. So in this way, this whole cycle is completed. I hope you have understood this topic. If you do, please like it, subscribe it and share with your friends, and we'll see you in the next lecture. Bye.